I'm actually going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to get rid of facial hair, okay, in just 3 days. 3 days, okay? And this remedy is actually very simple and effective, very effective. It's actually going to remove and whoop out all of those unwanted hair. So basically, apply this treatment only on those places where you do not need hair anymore, okay? And it's actually going to help you so much. So if you want to know what all of the ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me walk you through into the video. Alright guys, so to remove facial hair, you're going to be needing to use rice powder. Now rice powder is a great remedy that helps to get rid of all unwanted hair, and it leaves the skin looking really soft and smooth, okay? Now you can either use the rice, the boiled rice, or you use the rice powder. Anyone, it's perfect. So you're going to be using about 2 tablespoons of this rice powder. And okay, and then the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this hair removal is gelatin. Okay, now you can actually get gelatin. It's actually used for baking. This actually helps to uproot the hair from the hair gland, and it helps to smoothen out the skin and makes the skin really smooth. Yeah, so what you're gonna do here is that you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of gelatin, and you're also going to dry stir it to mix it with the rice. Alright guys, so the next ingredient is turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy that helps in lightening up the skin. It leaves the skin super glowing and super young, and it also helps to prevent hair from growing, and it also removes all unwanted hair. So for this you're going to also be needing 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder. Okay, and then also the next ingredient is going to be tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy that works wonders in brightening up the skin, reducing the size of an open pores, removing all unwanted hair, and tightening up a saggy skin. Okay, so we're going to be creating the tomato. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be creating it. We're going to be creating the tomato. Now you can equally blend your tomato if you want. Oh, now after creating that, then we'll have to be putting the tomato inside all of this goodness, and then we'll mix it all up. Okay, so just going to be mixing it, and when your consistency is actually this too thick, then you can add up a little bit of water, and then you stir it. Okay, now you're gonna see that your consistency is gonna be friendly, and the treatment is going to be ready to use. Now for some people, you can actually just use a double boiler method to dissolve the gelatin, or you can actually put it in a microwave for just like 1 second or 2, and then the gelatin is going to be dissolved. Now after which it has dissolved, then you can use it. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after the gelatin has actually been dissolved, then you can rub it onto your face or onto your body or onto your skin. So I'm actually going to be using my hand to illustrate this. Of course I have hair on my hands. For those people who want to get rid of unwanted hair on their hands, you can equally use this. So you have to rub this treatment on the direction in which you are observing the hair, okay, so that when this treatment has actually removed the hair, you're not going to be seeing any bumps or whatsoever. So you rub it this way, and there you go. Now if you notice that the coat that in which you've laid is not enough for this treatment to remove your hair, you would have to apply another one, guys, because when it is much to cover up all of your hair, that's when it's actually going to actually dissolve it, yeah, but you would have to leave it for it to dry, okay? So when it dries, then you can either wash it off or you pull it off. But pulling it off is going to be painful, but that is actually going to make the hair come out from the hair gland. But washing it off is going to make the hair, like, it's going to dissolve the hair to fall off, okay? And you can equally use this treatment for like 3 days, and the result is going to be so amazing. Okay, so after you've rub it like this, and then you would have to hold on. When it dries, then you wash it off, and all of the hair is going to fall off. So go try this remedy out. It's going to be helpful. Apply it on only those places in which you do not want hair anymore, and it's actually going to really do the job for you, okay? So that's it, guys. I actually used my hands to show you because I basically do not have facial hair, okay? So this video is actually for those people who have facial hair or hair on their chest and you want to get rid of it, okay? And it's actually gonna be perfect. So go try this out, give it 3 days, and you are gonna be seeing the effects. It's actually very beautiful and very simple and effective too. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.